here for a no heat for a gas furnace. I checked the thermostat. I also checked this switch, made sure I was getting 120. I checked for 24 volts here and I wasn't reading anything. Checked my fuse was good. I checked the secondary side on the transformer and I wasn't getting 24 volts. So I ended up checking this, checking it here, the incoming on these two wire nuts, and I was getting 120. And decided to check the door switch. And as I checked it, you can see how it's kind of burnt off there. And I wasn't getting 120 off of this door switch. I was only getting about 75 volts, which wasn't sending 120 to my transformer, and then the 24 volts to my board. So I tested out this switch here and see if it's good. So that's what I'm gonna do here. You can see it's burnt up. So, and I have it here set on continuity. So what I'm gonna do is push this switch in. Power's off, so, well, it's not even hooked up anyway, so, yeah, go ahead and I'm not reading anything on the meter itself. So if I go down here, I have continuity, but so this door switch is bad. Door switch is bad. If I push it in, nothing happens. So I'm just gonna eliminate this door switch for now, just to get them heat. Basically, the door switch works as a safety. So if I remove this door, it'll shut the furnace down and no one can stick their hands in there or anything like that. So, but for now, we're just gonna bypass the door switch. And as you can see, everything comes back on at the furnace. So I'll go ahead and order another door switch, but for now, I'm just gonna take it out of the equation and just tell them not to open this up, and we should be good. So at least we got the heat back on. So you can see the igniter there shortly. There you go. I see the igniter. It's blowing in there. So that's good news. So I'm glad we got the heat up. It was just something as simple as a door switch. Alright, so that's it.